Hey everybody, it's Abby from Cricut. Thanks for joining us today. We're going to learn just a couple of tricks that will set you up for success when you're using the Cricut Mug Press and cutting those infusible ink sheets. First thing is we have these new smaller size infusible ink sheets that are perfectly sized for mugs. This means that it can be a bit of a tight fit, so alignment on your mat is really important. You can see here when I attach my infusible ink sheet to my mat, I have it really perfectly aligned with that top line on the mat to make sure that my design fits on the sheet. Also, when you're putting your mug into your press, it's best to come at it like an angle like you see here. If you go just straight down the top, the chances of you maybe peeling up your design or bending the edges of your Infusible Ink Transfer sheet increase. Last, and this one's really important, when I'm putting my mugs into my mug press, I like to take a bird's eye view like you see here, and when I put my mug in, I watch the heat plate, which is that mint circular piece, close around my mug and make sure that the edges of my transfer sheet are covered by the edges of that heat plate. That heat plate is very hot, so make sure you don't touch it. Thanks for joining us.